Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're doing well, and here 2024 new mega pack. All files for Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop, but these are protected. You need subscription for all access of my data. Okay, you can download the application from Play Store, or you can get subscription on website. That means you can access on your PC or laptop, especially for iPhone user. And data website here, just click, go to sheri2.com. okay, and I know you know how to edit PSD file or EPS AI in Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop, so I don't need to explain. PSD and PNG, amazing. With different categories: glossy wedding planner and blue modern music, hair fashion, natural food without preview photo, okay, wedding, healthy food, crypto, healthy food, drag, Photoshop. The different layer in here: background, shapes, image here, you can import your image, and last shape, text. That means you can edit everything. Same thing in APS and AI for Adobe Illustrator. Music, okay, green, fitness, pet shop. You can import your pet photo. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me, and you need subscription for all data. Take care. Allah Hafiz.